So you have choices. You have a lot of choices. You take your car to a lot of different places. And so when we try to figure out what we want you to get out of it, we tried to put something together for you that is very, very special. So many places these days are concerned about transaction and quick and easy. Get you in, get you out with very little interaction. And we really wanted to make something special. And so while we do want it to be easy, we really want it to be an experience. That when you get your car done with us, it's not just about taking your money, giving you your car, thanks, have a nice day, but to where you feel like you're a part of something when you've done business with us. There's a lot of things to take into consideration when choosing who to drop off your pride and joy with. Quality materials, quality of individuals, quality of experience, quality of service. And I'm not just even talking about leading up to the time that we take your car from you, but also while we have your vehicle and how we're interacting with you in that time frame and what happens after the fact. And that's why we've designed a beautiful post-care system for when somebody picks up their car with us. Wonderful material that you take home with you, but also a nice little onslaught from our YouTube video library that allows you to stay close with us and get good advice and get good interaction on how to care for your vehicle after it's left with us. So when you think about all these choices on those things, you also have choices when you come here. So whether you're getting maybe just our level 1 enhancement services on the inside and outside, our most basic polish and interior that we offer, or if you're getting a heavier paint correction, or if you're getting one of our ceramic coatings, or a wheels off service, or one of our caliper and hub refinishing services, or paint protection film, expel paint protection film, or all of those. Maybe you're getting a service that encompasses all of those things. We want you to understand that it means something to us. We understand that you've worked your face off to be able to bring us your prized possession and trust us with the keys and have a sense of safety that when you hand us those keys, everything's going to go as planned and everything's going to be just fine while we have your baby under our care. So we just want you to know that we take it as seriously as we do. We want you to know who you're working with. And we hope that all of those quality ingredients all make a beautiful, beautiful cake that you get to bite into when you pick your car up with us. So great client and business owner interactions these days are getting more rare and more rare and more rare. They're becoming very, very hard to find. And we are viciously grasping on to what's left of that fiber and trying to bring back, while all these big tech and internet companies just want you to live online and live in a fake reality, we are trying to desperately hang on to that client interaction and the time that we get to spend with you and the experience that you get when you work with us. We are desperately clinging to that because we believe in the human connection and we believe in that connection with those automobiles and how special that is. So if you think it's gone or you think that experience is dead, I would just ask that you pick up the phone, shoot me a text, knock on our door, swing by our shop, and we'll show you that it's far from dead. Thank you.
Right here.